Hello everyone, this video is something special and amazing in my life because I got two golden buttons. Imagine. So it is in the history of YouTube getting two golden buttons. Getting silver button itself is a milestone and two golden buttons. So let me open this golden buttons. Let me unbox these golden buttons in front of you all. Shall we? Let's unbox it. So this is first golden button. So can you see this? This is Dr. Devika Bhatnagar. So anyway, I'll show it on the screen. So this is Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel for 10 lakh subscribers, 1 million subscribers. I got this gold button. So let me unbox it. Feeling really excited and very happy today. It's very easy to open. Oh. Packing is very strong today. Yeah, this side also have to open. So now opening this. So there is an appreciation letter as usual. This is the appreciation letter. Now coming to the golden button, this one. This is golden button. Let me open this cover also. Now see, this is golden button. It's written presented to Dr. Devika Bhatnagar for passing 10 lakh subscribers YouTube. So feeling very happy. So this is one golden button. Now let me open another golden button. Yes. So this is another golden button I got. This is for crossing 10 lakh subscribers from Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel. So I'll open this in front of you. Now I got practiced how to open this. So this is covering, and here is an appreciation letter for this video, for this channel also, Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel. And now coming to this golden button. Let me open this cover. Here is the golden button. I'm so happy. Two golden buttons. I have unboxed it. Now you can see both the golden buttons at a time. So this is a history in YouTube. Getting golden buttons, two golden buttons. Have you ever heard? So this is possible because with you all your support. And one more important thing, this is a milestone in my career. So these are golden buttons from both the channels, Dr. Devika Bhatnagar and Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel. I want to share with you some feelings. Let me keep these buttons. So two buttons. Let me share my journey with you all. So, in fact, I was working as a deputy director in Aurora's group of colleges. It was 5 years ago. And after starting this channel, 2017 June, while working, I started this Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel, and the channel started growing it. Then immediately I thought, full-time job, I'll take it as YouTuber. I left my job. I worked 25 years. I left my job. I have become a full-time YouTuber. It's all because of your support and trust and faith on me. Started my journey in 2017 June. Then after that, slowly the channel started growing. In this channel, Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel, so I used to put only the soft skills training part in the beginning, soft skills, interview skills, job skills. Then after that, slowly turned into motivational talks, then yoga and meditation, spoken English, like various topics, various playlists. You can find it in our channel. Now, when I started this journey, your trust made a main role in my life. Now, I am remembering a small Majroos Sultanpuri saying, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवा बनता गया. It means I started my journey alone, but people started traveling along with me, people started supporting me. Now the journey has become like Karwa. It's a group of 1 million subscribers. Thank you everyone. And this channel, along with this channel, I started 2019 another channel, 2019. That's Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel. Earlier, I used to put Telugu talks also in Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel. Many people who cannot understand Telugu, they objected. They used to struggle a lot. Then I opened this Telugu channel. Though it has started in the year 2019, but it has also crossed to 1 million subscribers along with Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel. And that channel also, people gave me lot of support and trust and good wishes. With all good wishes, this channel, especially this Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel, I have covered spoken English, spoken Hindi, and also motivational talks and inspirational stories, yoga, meditation, all these things. So not only these two channels, I have 4 more channels. Another one is, third channel is Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. There I am getting lots of response and affection from commerce and management students. And the same channel I started in Telugu also, Accounts in Telugu by Professor Devika Bhatnagar. There is another channel of mine, Carnatic Veena classes by Devika Bhatnagar. Veena I teach over there. And recently I started, traveling is one of my passion. I started another channel, that is Travel with Devika Bhatnagar. I'm covering lots of videos, journeys, all over India I'm going to cover slowly. So these are my channels anyway. So reaching this milestone, it's not so easy with all your support. I thank you all for your support, good wishes, trust and faith on me. Especially God Almighty, Lord Shiva. His blessings are with me always. And at the end, I would say that my family members' support is, I cannot express in words. Especially my husband, Mr. Subir Bhatnagar, and my kids, son Dhruv Bhatnagar and daughter Aarti Bhatnagar. Their support in every step of my life, it is there with me. So I thank you everyone, and especially my friends, school friends, college friends, neighbors and colleagues, and those who are not directly attached to me, but their support is always with me. Thank you everyone. Keep showering your blessings, keep showering your good wishes in the future also, so that I can reach a lot. I can reach to many people. By teaching in classroom, I used to cover only thousands of students, hundreds of students. But through YouTube, lakhs of students I'm covering. Crores of people sometimes it is reaching. Money is not at all a matter. In classroom, I used to teach to the students who can pay the fee. But here, money is not at all a matter. Anyone can study, anyone can gain the knowledge through YouTube. It is possible. So God has given me that gift to share my knowledge with you all. So I'll keep my journey always forever with you. Last but not least, my special thanks to YouTube. Without YouTube platform, it's not possible to reach you all. So my special thanks to YouTube for giving me this platform to reach you all, to share my knowledge with you all. So my dear friends, keep in touch with me. Thank you once again, each and every subscriber, each and every follower, for showering your good wishes and blessings towards me. So we'll continue our journey forever. Take care, keep smiling and keep shining. Good luck.